Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today is September 29th, 2021. I just picked up this 89 C1500 5.7 V8. Actually, my stepbrother, my brother-in-law actually bought it, and he had issues driving a 5-speed. Whereas he hit me up so I could go ahead and teach him how to drive it, and I did, but said it was a little bit too much work for him, so I offered to take it off his hands, and he said yeah. That was pretty cool of him, so I appreciate it. It's a fun little truck. You notice that like first gear is really short, but it gets up. I installed that little bin right there. Got that off eBay for like $100, maybe a couple years back. But I did see that they have one on Amazon for like 120, and it's like an updated version. It's really good. It does a lot of shit, like everything. Not gonna start it up because it is really loud. Got all the apps and stuff. Fun stuff. Pretty cool. To show you guys how loud it is. You guys get an idea of how loud it is anyway. They're 22-inch wheels. I do have other wheels that came with it as well. Dual pipes coming out the side. It's all been welded up all the way to the front. It is loud. Yeah, relatively rust free. Took a magnet to it all the way around. It does have kind of a shitty paint job, but from a little far away you can't even tell. At night it just looks super dope. See the other wheels I have for it? Yeah. I did put these bench seats in because I wasn't a fan of the bucket seats that it had. Somebody rattle canned everything in here. All the interior has been rattle canned. Oh man, that sucks. Headliner, everything had been rattle canned. And I don't care what people say, I smell it. Like, I could smell that paint. I don't know if they just didn't use the right kind of paint or what, but yeah, it still feels tacky too. Like when I close the door and stuff, like it'll just, see? It peeled off right there. It does have crank windows. And I did go to the junkyard and I picked up some automatic door panels with the regulator and the buttons, the door harness and everything, but now I'm kind of second guessing doing that. So I do like the crank windows, you know, it gives it that old school feel. I kind of want to keep it like that. I do want to do something with this steering wheel. It feels like it's coming right at me. I don't know if I could get a different steering wheel and it wouldn't. Maybe shorten this up a bit. A different steering column or something. But yeah, just giving you guys a tour of it. Something little. I do need to replace the door locks because currently this is the only door I can open with the key. I do have them though. I just got them in the mail yesterday. I need to go ahead and do that. Yeah, I mean, if you guys have any, if you guys have any ideas, what you guys want to see me do on this thing, I will be swapping this, actually swapping the inside of this, because look, it's got a screw there and screw there and screw here where it's just been messed up. Everything works, but it's just been painted on and worked on, not like I'd like it to. I was thinking of wrapping the dash in like a vinyl leather, you know, make it look pretty cool. I'd love like a peanut butter inside, you know, a nice tan, be dope. And maybe some bucket seats, because I think I did want the bench seat, but now that I'm using it, like driving a 5-speed with the bench seat, it just does not feel right. It feels weird. So yeah, all in all though, it's like really fun.